international educator.
Hello learner, welcome to our today mathematics of secondary school revision lesson 8. Today we are going to see we are going to revise the following areas. 1. Finding the probability of events. 2. We are also going to calculate time taken to complete a task. We are also going to see how to calculate speed, and in particular for the body that is moving on the Earth's surface. And lastly, we are going also to talk about area scale factor and volume scale factor. That is specifically the objective of our lesson, that you'll be able to find the probability of events. You'll also be able to find the time of completing a task. We will also be able to know how to, or we revisit that, volume scale factor and area scale factor, and lastly, calculating speed. Now let us begin by looking at a question that will assist us to revise on the concept of calculating the probability of events. Let us go through the question and then we shall be able to do it. A bag contains 5 red, 4 white, and 3 blue beads. The beads are identical except the color. Question A. Determine the probability of picking a blue bead. 2. Either a red or a white bead. The second part of the question, determine the probability, or the question is 2 beads are picked at random from the bag without replacement. Using a tree diagram, determine the probability that the 2 beads picked are both white. 2. Only one of the 2 beads picked is red. Remember learner, probability is the way of assigning numerical values to likelihood or chances of event occurring or not occurring. We have 2 ways of getting these values, either theoretically or practically. So our question here is testing us on how to determine the probability theoretically, because we are not picking, we are relying on the information given. So let us go ahead and answer the question. So this bag, we are told, contains 5 red, 4 white, and 3 blue beads. And therefore, we are being asked, what is the probability of picking a blue bead? If you go to that bag, you'll find that there are 12 beads. That is 5 red, 4 white, and 3 blue. So in total, there are 12 beads. Each one of those beads can be picked. But we are asking, if I was to pick one, what is the probability or the chance that I will pick a blue bead? So out of the 12, we have 3 that are blue, and therefore the chances that we'll pick a blue will be the 3 blue divided by the total number of beads. So we denote that by P and then a B in bracket, probability of picking a blue. So we will say the probability of of picking a blue, the event of picking blue, will be given that by there are 3 blue out of the total 12. So you say, how many beads are color blue?